We're entering Bombay Beach, right along the banks of the Salton Sea.
The sci-fi horror thriller with balls.
There's a Bombay Resort Estates that is abandoned. So that's what I'm looking for. That's it. So I thought we'd check out some of these abandoned places that are still here. Now, like I always say, I don't recommend doing this on your own, but you can sure live vicariously through me. So this looked like it had several places on the property. Carefully go up this porch. If you look at these stairs, it could come down on me right now. Let's find out. Yeah, you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is go up this way. Seems a little safer. Alright. An old mobile home. It's been abandoned. The old school O'Keefe and Merritt stove and oven. Nothing in there. Nothing in the cabinets. This looks like it used to be a bedroom. The old bathroom. Freak out the people. And then it's probably the master bedroom. Even a can of spray paint still sitting here. All right, see if we can get out of this one. We'll move on to another one. And there's Winnie the Pooh. Who doesn't like Winnie the Pooh? I wonder if we'll find Tigger too. Got to be careful with some of these floors. I don't even need to go in this one. This is just a little place. Somebody's actually hanging out in there. We won't disturb that, we'll leave that. Looks like it could be a channel right there. X off or cross off travel. Every once in a while you come across a pretty cool piece of art. Like this one. Well, let's move on and see what else there is to see here at the Salton Sea. So imagine when this place was a resort area right by the Salton Sea, when there's more water in the Salton Sea, for one thing. And this was a cool little house here. Not that little. Look at something's overtaken it. They had a fireplace right there. Incidentally, Rudy was at. So there's a lot of places like this right along here. There's not a whole lot of people around. I mean, there are tourists around, but not a whole lot. So inside, we are inside. Still some carpet on the ground, which I'm surprised about actually. What the heck is that? It's foam. That is crazy. I wonder what that was. So this is actually a space with a roof. Surprised there isn't somebody in here. Nice and cool in here. Now we've actually shot inside trailers before like this. Floor is remarkably solid. Look at the size of that tiny little shower. And we are checking out this outdoor museum art installation. Whatever you want to call it. It's very cool. It's right by the Salton Sea. In fact, really close to the Salton Sea. Hundreds of yards. This building is called Museum Number 2. For those who don't know, I have a sculpture degree from the University of Arizona and a photography degree from the University of Arizona. So this is of great interest to me. Now I've seen this on the channels, this actual installation. I'm thinking Living Free Mike had this in the video, pretty sure. There's the door there. Right here. There's so much to this. There's so many buildings involved in this, and it's amazing. And it's right over that bank is the beaches of the Salton Sea. It says lay down, but I'm not sure where you're gonna lay down. And there's Octastine. And that is a jaguar. All graffitied and painted up. Huh, wow. And that looks like Chris Farley over there on that wall. So that's what I was talking about. I live in a van down by the river. Let's check out this one. Look at that. I've actually done some work like this. Yeah, if you ever get a chance to check this out, it's Salton Sea. It's Avenue F. Right along the bank of the Salton Sea. All right, well, we're gonna head back out. This was a fun little stop. Check it out if you have a chance. Please think about subscribing to the channel if you like the channel, if you like my content.